Hello class and welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can change between the different views in Cinema 4D using shortcuts. So, let's begin. Alright, so here we are again, and as you remember in the previous lesson, we discussed these three different options here and their respective shortcuts. But we didn't talk about this one here. And as you know, this option is going to help us to change between the different views in Cinema 4D. So here you can see that we are on the perspective view. And if I click over here, I can see the different views. So I have the perspective here, the top view here, the right view here, and the front view here. And if I want to go to a specific view, all I have to do is to click on this icon here, like this. And now I am on the right view. And I can work on this view. And if I want to go to a different view, I have to click over here and change to the view that I want, like this one. Or I can go to the perspective view, like this. And switching between the different views is something that you are going to do a lot. So it is always good if you use shortcuts to change between the views. And for Cinema 4D, we're going to use 5 different keys. The first one is going to be F1, and this key is going to bring us to the perspective view. F2 is going to bring us to the top view. F3 to the right view. F4 to the front view. And F5 to the 4 different views. And again, F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5. Now, this is going to be really easy for Windows users. And if you're using a Mac computer, it is very likely that you are not able to do this. And the reason is because Mac computers usually have the F keys assigned to other tasks. So what you have to do is to use the function key, which is on the bottom left corner of your keyboard. It says Fn, and that's the function key. So you have to press the function key and keep it pressed, and press F1, F2, F3, F4, or F5. So that is going to solve this issue. Now, if you are a Windows user and you have a mouse, you can click on the middle button and it will bring you to these different views. And as you can see, changing views in Cinema 4D using shortcuts is really easy, and it will save you a lot of time. And that's all for this lesson. I hope that you learned something useful, and I will see you in the following lesson.
Hand over hand, the clock is ticking, time is moving fast. Reviewing all the lessons we have learned from mistakes lost in the past. Miscommunication leading us into a place where their lives strive. Why do we still tolerate the things like greed and hate that rule this life? When we can change the world, we can change the world, we can change the king, and all good things are in supply. Reaching to the heavens, hands up high, I do my best to grasp the sky. Observation, education, inspiration, revelation.